Every vehicle begins with a thorough test drive to accurately identify any issues. Once diagnosed, we provide clear, honest communication so you understand exactly what's needed before any work begins. After repairs are completed, we perform a final test drive and comprehensive inspection to ensure your transmission meets our high standards of performance and reliability. At Access Transmission, we combine competitive pricing with proven expertise and efficient service, all delivered in a state-of-the-art facility. Our certified technicians handle every vehicle with precision and care. For added peace of mind, we offer a 2-year, 24,000-mile warranty covering 100% of parts and labor. Not sure if your transmission is failing? Don't settle for a temporary fix. Let our experienced team provide the right solution. Visit us at 3255 Thousand Oaks in San Antonio and experience the Access Transmission difference. Let us get you back on the road with Access Transmission.